Quantum jumping possible in relation to the I am awareness. Quantum jumping, when understood metaphysically, align closely with the concept of I am awareness, the realization of pure consciousness beyond time and space. So let's break it down step by step. First comes the awareness, the I am awareness, the ultimate observer. The I am consciousness is the fundamental awareness that exists beyond physical reality. In mystical traditions like Sufism, Advaita Vedanta, Kabbalah, this refers to the state of pure being, the witness behind the thoughts, identity, and time. So when you recognize that you are not the mind, not the body, but pure awareness, you detach from the illusion of linear time. This detachment is crucial for quantum jumping because it allows you to access multiple states of reality at once. Then comes quantum jumping, which is a shift in states of reality. So quantum physics suggests that reality exists in this superposition, like multiple possibilities exist until observation collapses them into a single state, the observer effect. So quantum jumping in a metaphysical sense means shifting into a different versions of reality by aligning your consciousness and vibrations with that desired reality. For example, if you hold the I am awareness and intentionally embody a different version of yourself, one with greater abundance, health, spiritual wisdom, you shift your timeline to that version. This is similar to the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics where infinite possibilities exist simultaneously. Then comes the role of time, past, present, and future that exists now. Since time is an illusion, as discussed in relation to Surya Alasa, all potential realities exist now. When you quantum jump, you are not traveling to another reality, but turning to a different frequency of existence, just like changing a radio station. In I am awareness, you recognize that you are not bound to a single timeline. Your focus and belief determine which reality manifests. Then there is a practical application like how to quantum jump through the I am awareness. So here's a method of based on the I am consciousness, which I find it very useful. Step 1 is enter the I am awareness, pure being, meditate and dissolve identification with thoughts, time, or limitations. Repeat internally I am, not I am this or I am that, just pure being. Step 2, select your reality. Visualize yourself as a version of you that already exists in the desired state. Feel the emotions, thoughts, and experiences of that version now. Then comes step 3, embody and shift instead of waiting for it to happen. Start living as if it's already real. Align your actions, speech, and beliefs with this new reality. Then step 4 is let go and trust. Avoid doubt. Don't check if it's working. Just be it. Trust that the shift has already happened in the unseen quantum field. Number 5, the ultimate truth. You are the quantum field. Since I am consciousness is beyond space, time, you are not jumping anywhere. Remember this. You are simply awakening to a different facet of yourself. The key insight, you are not a person trying to quantum jump. Your awareness shifting its focus. The moment you embody this understanding, quantum jumps become natural to you.